It's getting warmer, and a leading environmental watchdog organization delivered a sobering report detailing the growth in harmful greenhouse gases blamed for global warming.
The report indicates that for the last almost 20 years, from 1990, we have observed 41% increase of warming effect.
Much of that increase is blamed on carbon dioxide emissions that come from cars and factories. Members of the World Meteorological Organization are sounding the alarm.
If we continue on this track, we have really difficulties. We need to act now. We need to take actions to decrease the growth rates.
This news is important for many reasons. According to scientists, dramatic warming is fueling violent storms around the world, drying out the U.S. West, facilitating some of the worst wildfires in U.S. history. The Bank of England says storms led to a record $140 billion in insurance losses in 2017.
We will cancel the restrictions on the production of American energy.
U.S. President Donald Trump has been dismissive of scientific reports and is promising to pull the United States out of the historic Paris Climate Accord. Much of the United States is coping with chilling weather right now, and Trump tweeted, "Brutal and extended cold blasts could shatter all records. Whatever happened to global warming?" Scientists say Trump's response isn't surprising given the source, but it isn't helpful.
Despite of the statements of President Trump, there is still a very concrete and specific movement by the agencies under the administration to actually to make case of the action against climate change a very big case.
There is also another major concern, a dramatic rise in ozone-depleting CFCs, or chlorofluorocarbons. The ozone layer protects the Earth from damaging UV radiation. CFCs that come from aerosols and refrigerants were banned decades ago. In part, according to the report, the rise in CFCs is blamed on China's use of foam insulation, fueled by China's housing boom. Here is some more bad news. The last time the Earth had similar levels of CO2 in the atmosphere was some 3 to 5 million years ago. And at that time, sea levels were 10 meters higher than today. Now, if that would occur today, some of the priciest real estate on Earth would be completely submerged. Sean Caitlebs, CGTN in Washington.